Morning, it's the 10th of November 2021. It's National Ride to Work Day. So I'm riding to work. It's a normal thing for me, but it's a good thing to promote other people to try and do the same thing more often, or even ride to work for the first time. Looks a bit rainy today, so I've got my rain jacket on. So try not to have that as an excuse. Put a jacket on if it's a bit rainy, more clothes if it's colder. But see how I go today.
So the National Ride to Work Day is organised by the Bicycle Network. So they're a cycling group promoting cycling and also has a range of cycling insurance and other services. So their information, cycling definitely improves your health as you ride to work. So it can reduce risk of, as they say, heart disease and stroke and being overweight and depression and all that sort of thing. Can also save a bit of time if you're doing a fairly short commute of just a few kilometres and the traffic's bad, as you'll see later on in this video. Can actually save a bit of time, and also saves a bit of money because you're not paying for fuel and parking and that sort of thing. So it is good to limit climate change. So I've actually worked out in one of my videos, every 1,000 kilometres you ride, it saves 250 kilograms of carbon emissions. So it's similar to what they're saying there, 1 kilometre, 240 grams. So it's similar ratio. Can be better for your workplace if more people ride to work. It's a bit of camaraderie between them. And just it's a nice, enjoyable commute, especially if the weather's nice and sunny. Today it's not going to be as good, but it is a nice feeling commuting to and from work. It's almost one of the better parts of the day. I've got my trusty Electra e-bike, so it makes the job a bit easier. Still got a pedal, but it just takes less effort, especially going up hills. As usual, I've got my high-vis top on. I'm going to have lights on the bike, and I've got a mirror as well just to be extra safe and visible. So it is a work day, so I better get going.
As you can see, the traffic's pretty bad today, so it's great to be on the e-bike. I'm actually going faster than the cars. Must be drive to work day today. So much traffic, but yeah, that's every day, isn't it? So it's good to try and promote alternate transport like bikes and e-bikes. Much healthier. So I'm going to check out the river. It was almost flooded yesterday. It's just up ahead. See, the river's up a bit, but it's not flooding over the road yet. Had quite a bit of rain lately. So if it comes over here, this road gets closed. Had some rain during the day, lucky I have the cover on the seat. So lucky I had my shower cap on the seat to protect it from the rain. There's a bit of rain and a few storms during the day. It's eased off now, just a very light drizzle. So I'm glad I have my jacket as well. So you just got to be prepared for the weather if you're riding to work. If it looks a bit rainy, make sure you bring that jacket. Just hope the bridge isn't flooded. I'll find out in a second. Cruising faster than the traffic again. It's a good feeling. So you just got to be careful in the wet. Make sure you go a bit slower, allow more time for braking because it is more slippery. Just ding the bell for pedestrians. It's more polite.
So that's the end of my ride to work day. I'm home now. A bit of drizzle on the way back closer to home, but I had the jacket on, lights on and high-vis vest on, so I felt safe. Just had to ride a little bit slower. So I hope this video has been interesting and inspires more people to ride to work or do your commuting or whatever errands on an e-bike or a normal bike. So it is healthier and also better for the environment. So every 1,000 kilometres of cycling saves about 250 kilos of carbon emissions, which is quite a lot. So the e-bike, I'm up to 3,500 kilometres on it now. Had it for about 3 years. So doing my bit for the planet, and it's just a better feeling riding to work, better headspace, especially if it's nice sunny weather, but today's weather wasn't that good. But so I'd like to thank the Bicycle Network for having this ride to work day. So it's just a good thing to inspire more people to ride their bicycles. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.